My name is Delia Folk, and this is my mom, Allison Brune. And we are so excited for today's video. What are we talking about, BB?
Today we're going to talk about one of the core pieces that you need in your wardrobe, which is a trench coat. You know, I talk about core pieces all the time. And this one is super, super important, okay? Now I have a black one that I wear, and a black one is good because it can be a little bit dressier, but it's not a great piece for spring and summer necessarily. So that's why we're focusing on this color. You may have a stone colored one, which is great too. But the main thing is finding a trench that fits your body type best at your price point. I would recommend getting good quality, because there again, it's a hero piece. It's one of those pieces that you're going to be wearing all the time, so you don't want it to fall apart after a few uses. Let's picture it's Saturday morning. You're going to run get a cup of coffee at the bodega, and then you want to get some flowers for the week for your apartment, or maybe you're having a dinner party. So rather than going out in basically your pajama bottoms or your athletic wear, you've already worked out maybe, or you slept in. If you just throw on a pair of jeans, throw on your tennis shoes, white tee, throw on your trench coat, pull your hair out, you don't even need to put on makeup. Throw on your sunglasses, swipe on your lip gloss, and you're ready to go, and you look super chic and very cash. Our next look for the trench, this is the way the French women wear it. It's very Parisian, very chic. French women are very understated. They don't wear a lot of makeup. They love a good red lip. Very understated, like I said. So we have a sleeveless back turtleneck, the little black pant, whatever black pant fits your body type the best. The black pump, put on the trench, a cool sunglass, and you're very mysterious looking and very elegant in an understated way. And tie the trench this time. Before we just had it lying open, and now we have it tied at the waist, so you're very put together. Picture this, windy, blustery spring day. It's a great thing you've got your trench, but now we're also going to add a scarf. And this is a great scarf, even though it's got the black background. It's a floral print, beautiful red florals. It's Balenciaga, and we're gonna take it, and you can do all kinds of different things with this because it's a long scarf. So depending on how cold it is outside, you can really wrap it around like this so you're totally covered up at your neck. Let's say it's really, really windy. You can actually even wrap it around very Grace Kelly-ish, sorry. We love this one because it's one of those heritage patterns from Versace. But we are going to, it's a shorter one than this black one, so we're gonna wrap it around, and then we're gonna come around. Can you lift your hair? Thank you. We're gonna come around and then come back through. This is the way a lot of French women do it too. Sometimes it reminds me of stewardesses, but it's kind of fun too. So you can wear it like that. It's a shorter scarf. That's a great look. And then let's say this is your bag, and you're out and about, and now you're warm. So you don't want to have the scarf on around your neck. So you just take it off. Sorry if I'm pulling your hair. And then you can just wrap it around a couple of times so it's not too long, and make sure it's tied so it doesn't slip off since it's silk. But that's kind of a fun way to add a little drama to a look as well for your trench. Another scenario, you are an executive on Wall Street and you're going to a very important meeting. You're meeting with a very important client. So you've got on the little black dress. We did an entire video about that. That's another core piece. It's really important. A very, very, very simple black dress that can be dressed up for cocktails or worn like this when you're going to a meeting or something. So she's got a black dress, she has the trench, she has a nice purse, nice pumps, and she is ready to go to her meeting.
gal that finds us. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we hope that you like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We can't wait to see you next week. Bye!